How to read 1,000 pages per day. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett is known to have been reading 1,000 pages per day earlier in his career. He still reads about 500 pages per day. The importance of this can be best summed up in his words to 166 MBA students at Columbia Business School in 2000. Read 500 pages like this every day. That's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. All of you can do it, but I guarantee not many of you will do it. While it sounds far-fetched to read 1,000 pages in a day, it's certainly possible, and in this video we'll be sharing tips on how to achieve such a feat. Welcome to Best Tech, your best bet when it comes to equipping yourself with the right knowledge and skills. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe if you're new here. Reading is a habit that highly successful people have in common. They believe that books are a good way to learning and knowledge. Warren Buffett is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is currently the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He is one of the most successful investors in the world, with a net worth of over $133 billion as of June 2022, making him the world's 5th wealthiest person. Warren Buffett reads a minimum of 5 to 6 hours a day. He reads from books, hundreds of pages of corporate reports, along with 5 newspapers each day. He spends as much as 80% of his time on an average day reading. To be a voracious reader like Warren Buffett, reading up to 1,000 pages per day, consider the following tips. 1. Create a friendly reading environment. The first step is deciding why you want to read the book, newspaper, magazine, or whatever it is you are reading. This will help you have a defined purpose and the right motivation. Get rid of everything that could distract you from attaining your objectives. 2. Use a pointer. You can use a pointer to help guide your eyes to stay fixed on what you are reading. The least distraction can get you off guard, and you will find yourself reading over sentences you had read already. The matter gets worse when you don't return to the point at which you were before going off. Therefore, you need to have something to locate the position. 3. Practice makes perfect. Like any other skill, reading needs to be practiced from time to time. You won't be a speed reader overnight and will not be able to read 1,000 words per minute from day one. You have to spend the time and effort you need. The end result is worth it, as you can develop literacy skills faster than 99.5% of the population. To master it, you need to continue practicing. 4. Love what you read. Be selective in the type of book you want to read. Always love what you read, and the topics should be of interest. If you want to read 1,000 pages per day, you need to read what you love until you love to read. Successful people are highly selective about what they read, opting to be educated over being entertained. Reading 1,000 pages a day will not only make you smarter with a larger vocabulary and more world knowledge, it will increase your overall well-being. People who engage in mentally stimulating activities like reading experience slower memory decline than those who do not. According to Warren Buffett, you first need to have the right data and analytics before you can even begin to think about the right decision to make in investing and trading. Time and energy you invest in reading can pay you back 100 or 1,000 times. Regular reading will help you to base your decisions on rational, logical arguments and less on your personal opinions or beliefs. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to watch more educative videos on our channel. Until next time, Best Tech remains your best